Y stands for GDP, or what is brought in by households and businesses. T stands for taxes, or what is taken from households and businesses and given to the government. C stands for consumption, which is what is spent by the private sector, and G stands for government spending. First, we'll look at the private savings formula. So private savings is Y minus T minus C, or GDP minus taxes minus consumption. So what is private savings? Private savings is the savings of households as well as the savings of private businesses. This is calculated by what is brought in by these private entities minus what they spend. Next, we'll look at the public savings formula. The public savings formula is T minus G, or taxes minus government spending. So what is public savings? Public savings is what the government saves, so what they bring in taxes minus what they spend, which is government spending. Lastly, we have the national savings formula. The national savings formula is private savings plus public savings, or it could also be looked at as Y minus C minus G, or GDP minus consumption minus government spending. So what is national savings? National savings gives the amount that private households and businesses save combined with what the government saves. Now we'll look at an example problem. Suppose that Y equals 8,500, T equals 1,200, G equals 2,000, and national savings is equal to 500. Find what C equals, what private savings equals, and what public savings equals. So starting off, we aren't able to calculate private savings, but we can calculate public savings, which is 1,200 minus, or the amount in taxes minus 2,000, the amount of government spending. With this information, we know that public savings is equal to negative 800. Now that we know both public savings and national savings, we can use the equation for national savings to solve for C. So we have national savings equals 500, and then it is equal to the formula for national savings, which is private savings plus public savings. And we know private savings is 8,500 minus 1,200 minus consumption, and then minus public savings, which is 800. And if we do some simple algebra and work it out and find out what C equals, we get that C is equal to 6,000. And then now that we found C, we're able to find private savings, which is 8,500 minus 1,200 minus C, which is 6,000. With that, we were able to find out that private savings is 1,300. And that is all. Thank you.